Here we are on a cell phone. We've downloaded the Moneo Blue app, and what we're going to do is just to make it a little more seamless and a little more easy to follow, we're going to double click, open the app, scan for devices. Now this Moneo Blue instance and the gateway and the connections have already been set up. Um, we'll try to do a separate video on connecting up to them initially. But the short of it is that we would connect up to the base station, and once you get the base station paired, there we go. Now you can see the available devices. They'll populate here, and you'll see your connections. Now, if you add additional EIO 344, or you don't have any connections, you have to come here and you have to go to the adapter list. It goes out and searches for mesh adapters that are not connected to the gateway yet. And you would just hit provision and it would add it to the network. Okay, so all that said, this is the Moneo Blue app. The IODDs are automatically loaded when it recognizes the sensors connected to the adapters, and this whole setup is going to be done through the Moneo Blue app. Now, let's minimize out of that, and let's jump over to onboarding this into Moneo. Here we are in Moneo, and we want to onboard that EIO 404 gateway. So we're going to go to device management. We're going to go to plus on the right hand corner. We're going to select IoT core device, and we're going to put in the IP address. In my case, I've set everything up so that I can just use the default IP address that comes on the gateway. The port's going to be 80, and we're going to click on OK. That has onboarded the gateway for me. You'll see over here I already created a folder. I named it EIO 404, and this is the serial number for it. You can give it whatever name you want, but for traceability, so you don't have to come over here and find it in the middle screen, I already have the serial number listed here. And what we can do is we can take our ultrasonic UIT, say we want distance, take the OID 254, that's going to give us distance as well. And we can take the LMT 105, drop that in there. That's going to give us sensitivity level. It's just a 0 to 100% scale. And we're pulling in data over Bluetooth to the gateway, and over Ethernet, we're pulling in this information into Moneo. So I'm going to close the device management, and I'm in dashboards actually, and we can see here that there are some default dashboards for these sensors already automatically. Let's say I just want to make a quick dashboard that includes them all. I'm going to select the EIO 404 because this is the gateway with all of them connected to it. I'm going to click on New Dashboard, and I'm just going to drag and drop the level, the distance, and our other distance in here. We can make adjustments to the size. It's a little easier to see that way and say, there we go. We can see that change when I touch the tip of the LMT there. And if we wanted to, we had a file or a machine picture or something we can select a file. We can load that in as the background. I'm going to hit save here. And now we have that sensor data being fed, again, over Bluetooth, then via Ethernet into our Moneo instance. And that's a relatively quick setup example of using the Bluetooth mesh. Thank you, and have a good day.